Good morning, guys. I just want to let you know that I have added all of you to the Eduphoria help desk, so you can now do work orders for technology. And I'm just going to run through that real quick and show you how that works. So you would log in to Eduphoria just like you normally do. For these purposes of this illustration, I logged in as Miss Brooks, and all you're looking for is help desk over here on the left hand side. And so you're just going to click on help desk, and if for some reason you guys don't have that help desk icon, maybe I made a mistake and didn't give it to you after all, or didn't click save, shoot me an email. I'll make sure you have it, and you can do work orders for your campus. So I can't just give you access to just technology. So when I give you access to help desk, maintenance comes up, warehouse comes up, just ignore those if you will. You're going to be dealing specifically with technology. Maybe at a later date you guys can put in those work orders too, but for now we're just going to do technology. Real quick over here, these things are self-explanatory. If you had already entered some work orders, you could see your open requests. If the technology director would like for you to respond to a survey after a work order, those would be here. And then this would be all of your requests that you could take a look at. So these would be ones that still haven't been handled. These would be all requests in total. And of course, if you want to create a new one, you can do that down here also. So we're just going to click on technology, and then you're going to start getting, it's going to branch accordingly. At this point, we may make some changes in the future where one of these is instructional technology, because we deal with most of the passwords. So that would either be myself or Samantha, probably resetting passwords or something like that. But for now, all you have is two choices. It's either software passwords or hardware. Now, I think when this was originally created, they were talking about the network login passwords, and of course now we would also talk about students' Google passwords. So if it's password related, obviously it's going to be over here. If it's equipment or hardware related, it's going to be over here. Now, depending on what you click, you're going to see a different screen. For example, if I click on passwords now, I get login passwords for computers, email, etc. Software downloads, which honestly we don't even do much anymore because everything is so web-based. And then of course if I'm having trouble with my phone. And so those are the options on this page. If I click back, hopefully it'll take us back to hardware. I just want you to see what that looks like. You get a few more issues over here. You get a computer needs to be moved or relocated. Is it a projector? Is it something to do with a camera? Smartboard issue, or maybe a printer or a copier. All things being equal, if it doesn't fit into any category, just go ahead and click this first one, and that will launch the actual form. And you're required to pick a campus, okay? You are required to put in a room number, and then you have to detail that request. If you think there needs to be any attachments from your computer, you can click on attachments and you can pick a file. When you're done with that, you would click submit request, and then it would go to technology for handling. So real quick, real easy, real self-explanatory. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I believe all of your principals know that we're going to start running work orders through technology. I've met with Miss Young and told her. Technology knows to start expecting them. Now you know how to do it. So if you have any problems, or if there's anything I can do to help facilitate this change, let me know. Thanks a lot.